Entry and exit check gates will come up in Umling. So when will the government come up with that?
So getting an entry-exit checkpoint is not an issue. We can set it up today, we can set it up tomorrow. The question is about having a legal mechanism to implement and actually enforce a checking that should happen. So that's where the problem and the challenge is, and that's where we were hoping that the MRSSA amendment would then allow us to have that system in place. So putting up a gate is not an issue at all, but making it and enforcing it to check and what kind of checking takes place, that is the key issue. So opening up a gate tomorrow and having a person sitting there is not going to serve the purpose. So he's right in the sense that we will set up, but as I said, in order for it to become actually effective in the way that we would want it to be, it will require some work to be done, which is what the MRSSA amendment was supposed to be. We're working on it. Let's hope for the best.
Thank you,
guys.
Thank you, sir.